Hello friends, now again in this video we will revise the chapter number 1 mathematical logic. I am explaining on the topics that is the tautology, contradiction and the contingency in a very simple language and examples that asked in the board examination. And after this my small introductory video, there are some PowerPoint slides of Unacademy, and if you like it you can take its subscription, and if you apply my promo code, that is Vasant sir, then you will get the 10% off. Thank you. Unacademy. Let's crack MSTCT with Unacademy. Get your subscription today. Use code Vasant sir for 10% off. जर तुम्ही माझा हा प्रोमो कोड वापरला तर त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला 10% डिस्काउंट मिळेल आणि निश्चितच यामध्ये ही सर्व फी देखील कमी आहे. मी सर्व लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स यावर शिकवत असतो अनअकॅडमीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती M1 आणि M2 साठी, आणि सीईटीच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी सर्व चॅप्टर्सची रिव्हिजन त्यामध्ये होत असते. 11 स्टँडर्डचा 20% पण अभ्यासक्रम यामध्ये कव्हर झालेला असतो. नेक्स्ट, अनअकॅडमी फीचर्स. लर्न लाईव्ह फ्रॉम दी comfort of your home, unlimited access to all courses, top educators of India on one platform, exhaustive coverage of syllabus, regular doubt clearing session, live test series, study material in PDF form, answer writing session पण त्यामध्ये असते. Benefit of the MSTCT subscription, mentorship and the guidance, 30 plus top educators, 20 plus batches, test series, daily practice problems, full length mock test with the analysis, 2000 plus lesson, quizzes at regular intervals for the self-analysis. These are the featured educators. Okay. Now the next is a batch courses on March 1st. Okay. These are the batches and the ongoing batch courses. Okay. मॅरेथॉन स्पेशल क्लास सिरीज पण इथे दाखवलेली आहे, यामध्ये तुम्ही जॉईन होऊ शकताय. टेस्ट सिरीज डेली T20, प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट आणि डेज तिथे दिलेला आहे. सीईटी साठीचा पोर्शन इथे दिलेला आहे. फिजिक्स तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट काढून बघू शकताय. नेक्स्ट इज अ बायोलॉजी अँड दी केमिस्ट्री. Last is mathematics. Okay. Plan for 1 month 1500, and if you apply the code, that is Vasant sir, you will get the 10% off. Okay, this is the code you can apply. Okay. निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते आवडलेलं असेल तर तुम्ही निश्चितच याचं सबस्क्रिप्शन घ्या आणि बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये ॲज वेल ॲज सीईटी मध्ये देखील तुम्हाला चांगले मार्क्स मिळू शकतील. थँक्यू. Hello student, now this is the video for the tautology, contradiction and the contingency. A statement which is true for all the possible combination of the truth values, it's a component statement, is called a tautology. A statement which is false for all the possible combination of the truth values of its component statement is called contradiction. It's obvious that the negation of a tautology is a contradiction and the negation of a contradiction is a tautology. A statement which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction is called contingency. Now we'll see the examples depending on tautology, contradiction and the contingency. These examples are asked for the 3 marks. Now it is some short examples. See this here. Determine whether each of the following statement pattern is a tautology or contradiction or contingency. Now see this here. In first bracket, that is a P implies Q and negation of Q implies negation of P. And if you see this here, first we'll write that is a P, Q, then the negation of P, negation of Q. Then P implies Q, and then find out the P implies Q and negation of P, and finally we write this statement. First is P, Q, double T, double F, Q is a TF, TF. Negation of P means what? That is a double F double T. Negation of Q is a F T F T. P implies Q, that is a T implies T is T, T implies F is F, F implies T is T, F implies F is again the T. Now find out the and between, that is the negation of Q and this. Then it is a first is a F, T is F, T F is F, F T is F, T T is T. And find out the implication between P implies Q and the negation Q and negation of P. That is F implies F is T, F implies F is again T, F implies T is a T, and T implies T is a T. And in this way we get all the entries in the last column of the above two tables are T, and hence in square bracket P implies Q and negation of Q implies negation of P is a tautology. Next is in bracket P and negation Q, double implication P implies Q. Okay, now see this here, first P then Q, negation of Q, P and negation Q. Okay, then P implies Q. Okay, P implies Q, and then find out the double implication between the P and negation Q, double implication P implies Q. Now first is P double T double F, Q is a TF TF. Okay, then the negation of Q, that is F T F, again last is T. Then find out the and between P and negation Q. TF is F, TT is T, FF is F, and FT is a F. Then find out P implies Q. T implies T is a T, T implies F is F, TF implies T is a T, and F implies F, both are same, and then it is true. Then find out the double implication between these two columns. That is, both are different, therefore it is F, both are different F, both are different F, both are different, therefore it is F. And the last column, entries in the last column are all the FF, and therefore it is a contradiction. Okay. Next is a P and Q or P and R, and in this case here, first there are the three statement, that is 2 raised to 3, then we will get the 8. For the P we write here 4T 4F, for Q double T double F, for R TF TF. Find out P and Q, then P and R, and find out R between these two. And here if we see this, the entries in the last column are mixed, and therefore it is called the contingency. The entries in the last column of the above two tables are neither all T nor all F, and hence it is the contingency. Okay, you can find out it. Find out the and between P and Q, and between P and R, and or between these two. You will get these T, 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 F, 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 F. Okay, and therefore it is called the contingency. 4. Using the truth table, determine whether the following statements are tautology or the contradiction or the contingency. Now first is negation, in bracket negation of P and negation Q or Q. Okay, now see this first, find out that is a P, write down P, Q, negation of P, negation of Q, and between these two. Okay, then find out the negation of the column number 5, and lastly the or between the column number 6 and the column number 2. Then all that is entries are in the mixed form, that is a T, 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 and the last is F, and therefore it is a contingency. You can find out this is the and, it's a negation, and it's our normal statements are there. Okay, now next is a P implies Q and Q double single, that is implication P. Again I will repeat here, in square bracket P implies Q and Q implication P. Okay, now first of all we will write here P then Q. P implies Q, that is the T implies T is T, T implies F is F, F implies T is T, F implies F, both are same, then it is true. Then find out and between the 2 and 3, that is the T and T is T, T, F and F is F, T, T, T and T is a T, F and T is a F, and then find out the implication between the from the fourth to first. T implies T is a T, F implies T is a T implies F is F, and F implies F is T, but all the entries are mixed and therefore it is called the contingency. And in this way, here we have completed the last topics, that is the tautology, contradiction and the contingency. And in this way, the revision for this chapter number 1 for the mathematical logic is completed. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.